another vlog, and today is Friday. Y'all wonder why we not in school? Well, today is a snow day, y'all. I swear it's a snow day because it's supposed to start snowing at like 11. Yo, look outside. Look outside, bro. It's not snowing at all, bro. It's just raining. Let me let that jump focus for y'all. See, bro, it's just raining. Got a new subscribers. Let that jump focus for real. Shout out to y'all. But y'all know right now I'm about to cook me some oatmeal. What is up to the vlog, man? It is really out here snowing, yo. Now it's snowing. Let me walk down the stairs. Let me hold the rail because your boy ain't got time to be out here slipping with it. Beep our cars. You feel me? I'm ready to start the car up there. Oh. We about to go a little grocery shopping, get a little snacks and stuff because we ain't trying to be snowed in. We don't know when it's gonna stop snowing. So you feel me? About to go to the grocery store. Turn that heat on, boy. You need to turn that heat on. Do you feel me? Heat on, let me turn that all the way on, you dicks. Cause it's really cold out here. It's really cold out here. But your dicks, I'll be back when we get to the store. So we about to get the, what you getting? What a scrub mascot. Hey, this right here is good too. This is good stuff too. I don't think they got it. We're looking for this little mask, this black mask stuff. We usually get it in Walgreens. Yes. Hold on, bro. I know y'all heard my mom's life lesson, y'all. Every time you get something, make sure you get it from the back. So, you gotta move a couple. Oh, don't let it fall though. Make sure ain't nobody touched it or opened it yet. Boom, just like that. The fresh one, everybody touched it.
See, look, you could, now you do.
That's me, but I did it, so I'm about to use it. So.
Oh,
I wrote a bitch judge.
Okay, let me see.
All right, we don't pray, but I'm gonna go back. Which one? No, get this junk right here.
No, that's just gel. I need to come out.
E, what is this?
I touched it, I opened it.
Bro. Now she got stuff on my hands. This is the stuff I record with.
This white film. This is all the. This is more like a chocolate.
Stop spilling stuff.
This is more better.
What is?
The barking caro, whatever, charcoal.
Yeah. Do they got the real mask, the pill stuff?
Like a black mask?
Yeah. Let's look. We trying to look for the black mask now. Cause what I see?
Soft.
What I see? She got on the all black with the purple Timbs.
You know.
And then she got the black
Nothing major.
pants on. Got the North Face. You dicks. Big Bear. Look at her. Look at her gone off his bear.
I'm sure recording.
Oh, we got in Kroger's, right, bro? Look at my hair. Look at my hair, dog. Forget it, bro. I don't even care. See, that's why I always keep my braids. I always keep my braids because my hair. Y'all, they got the little thing, bean boozle, boodle. Well, I don't know how to say
I
it.
don't even tell you which ones it is.
But we already do this though. We doing this, jump. Hold on. We about to do this, y'all. Hold on. Hold that up. We doing that. We doing that. Video coming soon. We're gonna get us some ice cream. Cookies and cream. Yeah.
Put them down.
Pizza.
Is it?
Yes, dog. I swear. I'm gonna give me a new battery because every time I decide to start vlogging or something, my camera decides to die. These look good though. These look good, Tiara. These. Yes, sir. What is this? I don't know. I want some Ruffles though. They be having all the flavors in that mug. Y'all remember we did the hot Cheetos and Takis challenge, right? They did not have these, bro. Now they got all these hot Cheetos. I mean, now they got all these Takis. We had to get these jumps right here. When you have the real Takis, we had these. Go somebody open them. We had them. But I'm gonna get some Doritos probably because Tiara ain't trying. I don't know what she doing. I'm sure she'll have some Doritos. Can't go wrong with Doritos. Bro, it was in the cereal aisle. They ain't got no type of cereal in this jump. Probably because it's snowing outside and stuff. So we got some Rice Krispie treats and what else we get? Oh, we only got Rice Krispie treats. We got the other snacks. You feel me? This is the best Minute Maid peach punch. Y'all know I have to get the hot fries. You feel me? Well, all right.
Who's behind me?
Nobody. All right.
Like this. Like it. My arm started hurting and stuff. So what's up, y'all? You know, it's the Wavy T on the camera on the vlog today. Y'all, go follow me. My Instagram name __ WAAVV _T_. Having a Snapchat, y'all. Tiara-Queen, not the underscore, but the dash. And we over in Kroger's. You know, getting our stuff, whatever. My phone done died. That's the only reason why I'm on her. Phone done died. So, but yeah. Yeah, so go follow me, y'all. Add me back to the T. You know, like on her, his little slash, you know, everybody go. Make sure y'all follow me, make sure all of that. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel, you know.
And y'all know.
Chelle and Cleve, you know.
But yeah, me and her brother make a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Stay tuned because me and Chelle, like, we don't meet together every day. So you feel me? Like, we can't post stuff every day. You know what I'm saying? And I'm always with her and like, you feel me? So I might just make a YouTube channel with her and we post all our videos on her. Cause we be doing challenges in the jump.
Okay, my arm's really hurting. Like,
So you did.
Let me try this arm. Push the basket.
So
I don't even look right walking like that.
yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Y'all.
Okay, I don't. Okay.
Where we going to?
I don't know. I'm home.
I'm dead because she don't like put me on that. I'm dead because she be thinking she look retarded walking without the basket.
No, I think I look retarded walking, especially holding the camera. But
I put on you now.
I can't even tell how.
I'm dead.
It's supposed to be like this.
Something like
Well, you
that.
can't tell. I don't look right.
I'm dead. Y'all, this is our first time vlogging or holding the
I
camera.
don't even hold it up. Say, I'll try.
Alright, I got you.
Okay, I got it.
You got it. These girls are pro with this jump. Sometimes.
See, this is the extra. That's the extra.
I smell like that.
Alright. Smart tray.
Smell like Hold on. Tiara, we got 2 baskets out this jump.
Full basket.
2 full baskets. I don't know how to do that. We parked all the way over there. It's snowing. Tiara slipped on this jump. Tiara snowing. Hey, and it's ice and stuff, yo. Hold on, wait. The car. Oh, we gotta go this way. Hold on, cuz. Hold on, cuz. We gotta go this way, cuz you feel me? Hey, we struggling out this jump with it like dead ass. Oh, shoot. Look at Tiara back there. Look at Tiara struggling like a mug. Look at her. If I got me. Oh shoot. Look at this, fresh snow. Ain't nobody stepped in it, you feel me? I'm gonna put the camera in the car before I get wet. Heck you know. Hold on, let me unlock the car. Hold on, wait, let me unlock the car with it. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh dang, I hope the car didn't freeze. Okay, woo. Let me start this jump. Hey y'all. Hey. Hey. Alright, I'll be back when we get up putting the groceries in the car. Look at Tierra. What you spelling? W? W-A? What you spelling? Oh, W-A-V. She's really out here spelling her stuff with it. In the snow, in the snow, in the snow. In the snow. But that's it for today's vlog. Right now, me and my sister, we about to do the beans boozled, however you said, the little jelly beans with the nasty things. About to do that first, and then we about to do the who's most likely to challenge. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. Y'all people, I got to hurry up. Yeah, you feel me? I still gotta get it done. Right here in a minute. My mom got shot. Watching the rap game.
Rapunzel, my artist, the person that people tell every day, all day.
But who was I saying? Yeah, make sure you turn the notifications. Make sure you turn that bell on, and you will get a notification every time we post a video. And so we're gonna have 3 videos coming. So make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Again, don't forget to subscribe. But I will see y'all in the next video game.